Diddyland, based in Nottingham, has over 25 years' experience in the nursery industry. Our friendly store has everything you need for your precious little one, from newborn to toddlers, including nursery furniture, high chairs, feeding accessories and toys. Diddyland's experienced staff pride themselves for being on hand for help and advice, and we can also offer a professional car seat fitting service for your total peace of mind. We stock all the big brands in pushchairs, including Silver Cross and Maxi Cozy, and even have an in-store engineer who can offer repairs and servicing on pushchairs. Hop along and visit us soon. We would love to see you.